In this video I will show you how to download and set up LogiVis. First of all, you need to navigate to github.com/danielbinder/logivis. You should see something similar to this. If you scroll down, you see the README, a little screenshot of how it should look currently, and most importantly the command with which you can run it. LogiVis has some prerequisites. Currently it's Java 21. If we click on that and download Java 21, you can choose any vendor for Java 21 you like. Here you can see the Windows x64 JDK, and I usually download the zip file and extract it somewhere. Then we need to set up some environment variables. For this, you go to the Start menu and type environment variables, and then it should show up, edit the system environment variables. We click on it, click on environment variables, and here we see our user variables and our system variables. First of all, we need to edit the Java home variable and set it to the location of the downloaded JDK folder, the extracted version of course. Here I set my Java home to e.jdk's JDK, the name of the folder. Then we also need the jdk/bin folder to the path. This is so Windows recognizes the Java command. So if we click on the path and open it, scroll down a little, I added it down here. You can just edit it with double click or click on new and add a new one here. And I added my JDK folder name /bin, because in the bin folder there's a Java exe. So click OK, click OK, click OK. And there might be other Java paths in your path variable, so you might need to remove those so it recognizes the correct Java version. Usually there's a lower Java version like Java 8 in the path variables if you downloaded Java manually some years ago, or even right now, I don't know. Anyways, we can now go to releases, click on it, and download the LogiVis jar. I already did that. Oh, you can also see here that this is the latest version. It has a cute tag. And we can see it in my download folder. Right here, I right click and open in terminal. If you don't have that, you can just press shift and right click and you should at least see open PowerShell window here. Or if you want to open the terminal manually, you can navigate between folders with cd, which stands for change directory. Cd dot gets you to a directory above, and if you want to navigate to a specific directory, you can just write it down or press tab to autocomplete it, and then you're in there. It's important that you're in the same directory as the LogiVis jar is, so that it works properly. So now we can just go back to the main website, to the README, and copy this command. Right here we still need to change the version, but I'm not sure how this is written, so I'm just pressing tab and it auto-completes it for me. We have two arguments, run and extract. We will see what they do shortly. So if we click enter, press enter, we see that it creates a temporary folder. If we look at it here, it creates the folder visualization. It copied out files from the JDK so that it works properly. So it started the front end, the servlet, and the algorithm tester. I press Control and click on localhost 4000, but you can also manually enter this in your browser, and you should see this. This means that the front end works. If you want to verify that the back end works, you can just test something here, click some buttons, and if I want to also see if the algorithm tester works, I can just test it and apply an algorithm, and it says false here. So everything seems to work. If we want to shut it down, we just press Ctrl C. If you do not do this and close it accidentally, it might not delete the visualization folder that it created earlier. That was it.